So bad. It's going to Goodwill. We put it in this closet and we're about to clean it out. So we are gonna take it out and take it to Goodwill. Good morning, sunshine. Welcome to another cleaning video. I'm gonna be cleaning out my closet. That closet is a throw in all trash. We have a lot of clothes that I have to get rid of. I'm gonna take it all to Goodwill, and that's why you're gonna see me with two different outfits. The first day I took out all the bags that I had ready to just drop off to Goodwill, and then I started to decluttering everything. We have all from party supplies, from machines, from luggages, from water jugs. We have tons of things in here that they're not supposed to be in here, and some of them are just all over the place that I have to put in a bag. So I'm going to start off by taking out everything from the closet and making sure that I'm going to put everything where it belongs. I have some suitcases that I do tend to put it back in here, but I have to put them all the way to the back in order for me to have an empty space at the beginning. And then I have a lot of toys from the kids that I'm going to be taking out to the garage where they're supposed to be, and a lot of trash. I have a lot of trash on the floor. Usually I put all my things right where they belong, but I don't know what happened in this closet that I just threw everything in here. I will be putting all the party supplies in that gift bag. I have a lot of balloons that are all over the place, and I'm pretty sure later on in the future we are going to be using them, but for now I have to put them all in one place. I like to leave all my party supplies in this closet, but in order, so I have to make sure to pick up everything and put them in the bag, and I'm going to be putting all those balloons in one Ziploc bag, and you'll see it at the end. But I have a lot of trash in here that I have to pick up and throw it away, and then I have all my some of my Christmas shoes in here that are supposed to be in my closet. I'm going to continue taking out all of the party supplies and all of the trash out of this closet in order for me to start cleaning it out and put everything in place. I'm going to let you enjoy this video with some cool music. I hope you are enjoying so far. If you are enjoying this so far and you're getting some motivation out of this video, don't forget to give me that like. And also, if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ana Moran. I'm so happy you are here, and I hope you are enjoying this so far. If you are, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. You won't regret it. I do a lot of mommy lifestyle videos, a lot of cleaning motivational videos, a lot of health. So if you like this type of videos, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna let you enjoy this now. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. Oh, I come alive inside your eyes.
to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes.
I am going to be switching out the water jugs that I have in the pantry over to the closet. It is more convenient for me, and I think I do have more space now that it's a little bit more clean. Well, not a little, but a lot more cleaner, and it has more space. So I am going to be putting them in the closet and then putting all the party supplies like those that Edgar did to my nephew on his birthday at the beginning of the year. We actually did those. Well, he actually did those. And then I'm gonna be throwing out all the trash. All those toys are gonna go to the garage. And then I have a bag full of trash. Those shoes are going back into my room. And then I have all this party supplies that I'm gonna be putting them away in a Ziploc bag, making sure that I have them all in the right place for whenever we use them, and then put them back in the closet, but in order. And this is the final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so happy with how it turned out. It's so clean now. I can actually go into that closet now. I hope you enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up, and also follow me on Instagram. I do post in there daily. I hope you enjoy. Have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.